just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly begin to realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Sarah, and this is Rich and Sarah Learning as We Grow. If you are new here, consider clicking that red subscribe button. We do so much here on our channel. We homeschool. We share homeschool tips and tricks of the classical method and Charlotte Mason. We share our daily lives, recipes, family fun, and just our everyday family vlog. So click that red subscribe button, and I promise you won't be sorry. So let me tell you guys what's happening this morning. We are getting the boys dressed and in the car this Sunday morning. We are going up to eat breakfast at a little kind of, I don't really know if it's a diner, but it's like a little cute like ma and pa breakfast and lunch restaurant. It's in kind of like the woods. The kids think it's the woods, and it's like definitely in a little mountain like hippie town kind of thing, and it's very eclectic. And so the boys and Rich have never been, and I grew up, my parents would take me there all the time, and so I'm excited to have them go. So let's do this. All right, let's go. You ready, Joe? Open the door.
Bye.
Hold on, watch. Oh, Mom has to unlock the door. That would help. You ready? Oh. So as we were driving to breakfast in this little hippie town, I found this cute bench, you guys. And Rich and Robbie fixed it so they could, fix up the car so I could put it in there. And I cannot wait to like refinish it. Okay, the crock pot, the slow cooker, whatever you want to call it, it is seriously one of God's best inventions. I love the crock pot. I love the slow cooker. And with the school year getting ready to start for most people, in end August, September, slow cooker crock pot meals are the best because you can throw everything in, dump it all in the morning, and then you come home, or your kids come home, or your family and husband come home to an amazing home cooked meal. And everybody feels special. Everybody has warm tummies, goes to bed with a nice warm tummy. And as a mama, you feel like, hey, I didn't run through and get fast food for because I was in a hurry. So we have swim lessons tonight. And so this is just a quick, easy, fun dinner that everybody will eat. So God bless the slow cookers.